In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under the topic economic development. So guys, this will be an introduction to economic development. We have four repeated questions to practice with in this video. So let's get started. The first question I have here says economic development embraces both. We have growth plus indicators, increase in output, changes in size and output, growth plus changes. Right answer is option D, which is growth plus what changes. Very important. Next question is this one. It says the economic policy of the regulation is aimed at encouraging. We have option A, an oligopolistic market structure, a competitive market structure, a duopolistic market structure, a monopolistic market structure. The right answer is option B, which is a competitive market structure. Very important. Okay, so this is the aim of the regulation as an economic policy. Okay, next question is this one. It says economic development embraces both. I think we answered this question already. That's growth plus what changes, option C. The last question for end this video is this one. It says economic development is distinguishable from economic growth because the former is an increase in the production of goods and services, is not concerned with growth parameters, also includes an efficient distribution of economic goods, affects only the poor people. So guys, the right answer to this question is economic development is distinguishable from economic growth because the former also includes an efficient distribution of economic work goods. Okay, so that's the right answer, option C. This basically you can do problems under introduction to economic development for your JAMB economies. So practice with 4 repeated questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of this video. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I shall give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button, where we're getting premium information that help you to excel in your SNE exams like your JAMB and other SNE exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the next screen and above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.